This is Algebra by Design, Activity 5. So again, mental map is always an option, but let's look at how we do these. When we have 2x equals 12, our key is to isolate the variable. We talked about inverse operations when we were doing order of operations. When we have 2 and x together, what are they doing? They're multiplying. What's the inverse of multiplication?
Division.
Division. So in order to get 2 away from x, we're going to have to divide by 2. So we're going to divide 2x by 2. If we divide one side by 2, we have to also divide the other side by 2. Now, if you'll notice, we have what I call, and a lot of people call, a big one. 2 over 2 equals 1. So now I have 1x. Essentially, we've isolated our variable. We now have 1x, or x, equals 12 halves. How many 2's in 12? 6. You have your answer. Okay? We did examples of adding and subtracting single-step equations, but we didn't do one like this. This, a fraction, is just division. Excuse me? We want to isolate x, gentlemen. Okay? What number would be in front of x? If there's only, how many x's are there? 1. So what number's in front of x that they don't write? 1. Okay? 1/5 x. This is exactly the same as 3 equals 1/5 x. What would we multiply 1/5 by to get 1? If we multiplied 1/5 by 1/5, we'd get 1/25. That would make us further in the hole, wouldn't it? It would be smaller. Yeah.
5
5 over 1, or 5 wholes. Does everybody see? We would just create a big one there, wouldn't we? Okay? This, you guys probably know as a reciprocal. This is called a multiplicative inverse. And you just got another word card or vocabulary. Word ring card or vocabulary word. All right? That's your multiplicative inverse. So what you're going to do with this problem is you're going to multiply both sides by the multiplicative inverse. Oops, I almost made a mistake. 5 wholes on both sides. Now you have x times 1. So you've isolated your variable x, and you have 5 wholes times 3. What's 5 times 3?
15.
15. You did it. Are those that hard?
No.
They're the ones that people freak out about because they're the F word. Oh, fractions. Any questions? Can you do those? I know you can. Good. Thank you.